In this video, you'll learn how to view your history in Microsoft Copilot so you can easily revisit past conversations, ideas, and answers whenever you need them. We'll keep things simple and walk through exactly where to look, what you're seeing, and a few practical tips to make the most of your chat history. First, let's talk about where your history actually lives on the screen. When you open Microsoft Copilot in your browser, your chat history is designed to appear automatically on the left-hand side of the page. This area on the left is called the sidebar. Think of it as your personal timeline of conversations. Each time you start a new chat or ask a new series of questions, Copilot creates an entry there so you can come back to it later. If your sidebar is already visible, you'll see a vertical panel running down the left side with a list of your recent chats. Each entry usually has a short label or a summary based on what you were talking about. You can scroll through this list to find older conversations. To view one, just click on it, and the main area on the right will load that chat, including your questions and Copilot's responses. This is really useful if you're working on an ongoing project, researching something over several days, or simply want to revisit an answer you liked. Now, sometimes the sidebar might not be visible. Maybe you're on a smaller screen or it was closed in a previous session. If you don't see your chat history on the left, don't worry, it's still there, it's just hidden. To bring it back, look toward the top left corner of the Copilot page. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is often called the sidebar icon or the menu icon. Go ahead and click that icon. As soon as you do, the sidebar will expand and slide into view from the left side of the screen. Once it opens, you should see your chat history appear as a list again. From here, you use it the same way. Scroll through, click any past conversation, and it will open in the main window. If you ever need more room for your current conversation, you can click that same icon again to collapse or hide the sidebar. This is handy if you want to focus only on what's on the screen right now without distractions. Just remember that you can always click the icon again to bring your history back whenever you need it. As you use Copilot more often, your sidebar history can grow quite long. A helpful habit is to occasionally look through your existing chats before starting a brand new one. If you're continuing work on a topic you've asked about before, opening the old chat can save you time and keep all your related questions and answers in one place instead of scattering them across multiple sessions. One more tip, if you're switching between devices, like from a laptop to a desktop, your chat history in Copilot is generally tied to the account you're signed in with. So as long as you're using the same account and Copilot supports synced history for your setup, you should see your conversations in the sidebar on each device once you open or expand that sidebar. To recap in a simple way, your Microsoft Copilot history lives in the sidebar on the left. It usually appears automatically, and if it doesn't, just click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open it. From there, click any conversation to revisit it. That's all you need to know to view your history in Microsoft Copilot. With the sidebar and the history list, you'll always be able to get back to useful answers and continue your work without starting from scratch.